Hi guys, welcome back. I appreciate you guys for watching the previous videos in my channel. Today's video is going to be, it's not going to be a tutorial. It's going to be more to gather the level of interest that you guys would have on me releasing a tutorial for a tweak that would allow you to download full albums on Pandora using Pandolife and AutoTouch to make it simple. Let me show you guys kind of what the tweak looks like. Then the tweak is Pandodl album.lua. That's the tweak I created. First, it scrolls down to see how many tracks there are. So there's 34. Then it brings up the track. It clicks the little plus sign there on the right. Clicks the plus sign. And it does this for all 34 tracks. So you can see, it just downloads it, no effort. You know, it basically downloads the full album for you. Alright, so as you can see, the tweak downloaded every song, and so all you'd have to do now is you just go to the music folder, the music app, and import it to your music library. I'll show you guys how I do that. You can see, click that, Pandolife, select all, and then import. And there it is, importing all the songs. So this is a really good tweak. The one thing I will say is that it does have quite a bit of coding involved as far as how much you have to do for the tweak. So if we do end up doing videos for this, it'll probably be about maybe 5 to 6 videos to cover everything that this tweak entails. And it won't probably work for the newer devices like the iPhone X and up. There's a text recognition that's used for the tracks, to know how many tracks to do. We can work around that if you guys are interested in this tweak. If you are interested, let me know by leaving me a like on the video or by commenting on the video. Again, just want to see how the level of interest you guys have in this. Thank you guys for watching, and I do hope you enjoy these videos, and we'll see you on the next one.